Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidi, and if you are new here, you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. So in today's video, I am going to give you some Christmas gift ideas that I think you will love. So let's get straight to the video. The very first project that I'm going to share with you that I think you might love to make and give out as gifts this Christmas is this pouch here. This is a laptop pouch that I made for my laptop, and I think this would be a great idea to give out as gifts this Christmas. Now, if you would like, you could put some Velcro here, but I left mine this way because I use it at home. But I think, yes, this is a great idea for your laptop. You can also put your tablets in here. It could also be a book pouch or something, and you can always put some handles by the sides. And yes, I think this is a brilliant idea. Now, I used a basic print fabric for this project, and I used an interfacing on the fabric. I also added a lining inside the fabric just to make it look really finished and really clean inside. And then I used like a rolling hem on the top just to clean it all up at the edges. But yes, I think this is a great project that your friends and family might love this Christmas. The next project I'm going to share with you guys is this tote bag that I made a couple of years ago. This bag has been really functional for me. I use it for my grocery shopping, and I have used it for so long, enough to know that it does work. The handles are still very tight, and I did put some interfacing. I also added some lining as well. I also went ahead to put a pocket in front here where I usually put my phones or my key or like some coins that I want to have handy. So I think this is a great project that you can also make for your friends and family this Christmas. And it is a very functional project, a very functional bag. And I think it would be a great idea to add to your Christmas gifts collection. The next project I will share with you guys is this belt here. Now, I have already made the tutorial for this belt, and I will link it in the description below. But this is an obi belt, and basically this belt just adds something extra to your outfits. And if you have a lot of scrap fabrics, especially the very long scrap fabrics, I think this would be a great project to utilize all those fabrics and also make really nice gifts for your friends as well. And I have also made this in some prints. This was made in a leather material. I've made it in some prints as well. So I think this is a brilliant idea that you could try out for your Christmas gifts, just to add some color to your hampers or whatever gifts you're giving out in your sewing collection. The final idea I will share with you guys is this sewing machine cover that I made recently. If I have finished the video, I'll probably add it to the description box as well. But this is just a very basic sewing machine cover, and I think I would say I made this for myself, so you could make this for yourself as a gift to yourself. I realized that I never get to find the covers of my sewing machines, the really thin cover that the sewing machine comes with. I never get to find mine, so I decided to make something that I can find handy when I need it, and especially to be able to keep my sewing machine covered so that it does not accumulate a lot of dust. So I made this. Now, if you're making yours, you might choose to add some pockets here, so you can put like a little pouch here where you could put your threads, your scissors, or anything else you would like. But I just chose this to be a simple project that I just made to cover up my machine from dust. But I think this is all that I wanted to share with you guys today, and I hope you liked this video. If you did get some value from this video, please like and also subscribe to the channel so you can motivate me to make more videos. But thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing, which I hope you have now, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Have a happy holidays and see you later.